about to open this to see. So I got the Philips Sonic Hair toothbrush, electric toothbrush. I just went to the dentist a couple of weeks, well, not really weeks, maybe about a month ago. So I've really been into keeping my teeth as healthy as they can be. So I went ahead and got me I got a flosser also. It comes with a case. So it's a nice sleek, clean. I love white when it comes to like anything dealing with the bathroom, because it just resembles clean, you know, just you can spot any dirt on it or any kind of, you know, I'm very particular with my toothbrushes. So this is, and it's good for travel. So, and then I'm gonna pull this out. Has the instructions. And then this is how it's packaged. So it comes with, I believe this is an adapter. That's what plugs in, because it recharges. It comes with one toothbrush head, and it's packaged. It does have a case over, if you can see that. It has a little case over the toothbrush. And this is the actual toothbrush holder, and there's 3 brushing modes. So we have there's 3 intensity settings, and there's a pressure sensor. I got this one because it is a pressure sensor, because I normally on manual toothbrushes I brush really hard, and I brush for a very long time. And so this has a timer that will keep me in check, and it also has a sensor, so it will alert you if you're pressing too hard, which that's one of the things I do on a regular basis. This one is the model number 6100 Protective Clean is the model number that I got. So you have clean, white, and gum care. So, and then that's the on and off button, and I believe that's probably how you will adjust to focus on what you want to do, as far as you want to focus on cleaning, whitening, or gum care. So I am curious, I am excited to try this out. I actually wanted to do this over the weekend to, you know, so I could take my time, because during the weekdays I'm rushing. And then the WaterPik. So it comes packaged with, it looks like a holder for the flosser. I had a different flosser, well, the same brand, but I had one that was kind of like a countertop. But this one is more of a manual, portable. It's a portable flosser. The one that I had sat on the countertop. So this one is good to go. This is the charger. This is the flosser. And it has a high, medium, and low. Those are the 3 modes. And then it has the power on button. And then it also has a case. So that's what you put Actually, I'm not seeing, oh, it's on the side. So these are the WaterPiks. And they provide you with 4 WaterPiks, 4 different nozzles. So pretty much you would actually just hold it up to your mouth and go through, and it's gonna, the pressure of the water is gonna go in between your teeth. So this one's a little bit different than the one that I had that was sitting on the countertop, but hopefully, and then you add the water in the back here. Hopefully this one is not as loud, because the one that I had that was on the counter by the same brand, WaterPik, it was pretty loud. But the one thing I do like about this brand is that they are good with replacement. If you have any issues, any problems, there is no issue in replacing the product and replacing parts. So they're willing to work with you, and that's one thing I do love about this company, is that they really, if you have any issues, they handle the issues and take care of it. And it's a very, very easy process to get replacements. So I just wanted to leave you with this, and that will conclude this video. And hope you enjoyed it, and happy flossing and cleaning teeth, whitening teeth. We'll see you in the next one.